Good afternoon. Looks like everybody's here. So whenever you're ready, Mr. Doyle. Oh, you're muted. Still muted.
Yes, I was muted. Thanks for telling me that. Cordell Jones is right here. We'll be ready to go when you right now.
Okay, sounds great.
Hey,
Good afternoon, Mr. Jones. I'm Judge Schultz with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. I want to make sure you understand that you're not being held on the city case, but since you are in custody on your county case, we thought we'd see you on your city case to see if we can get it addressed. It looks like you were charged with drinking in public that was alleged to have occurred July 3rd of 2025 in the area of 800 North 9th Street. The city is not seeking jail time. You do still have a right to be represented by an attorney, so you can request a continuance to hire an attorney. I am unable to appoint one to your case. Or you could state that you're not guilty, set the case for a trial. You have the right to a trial. Or you could speak to the prosecutor about a plea offer. What would you like to do?
so I mean, huh, that's a tough one. So what I don't know. I don't know. I've been in here for like almost 60 days now.
And that's because you're being held on a county case. You're not being held on the city case. And
Oh,
I'm not sure how you've been held for 60 days because it's
I've
only
been in here
August
since.
11th.
Well,
And
I
you were
feel like.
charged with this July 3rd. So it's a little over 30 days.
So with that being said, with 30 days drinking in public, I mean, how long is that? Is that's 30 days? So I plead guilty to that.
As I told you, the city is not seeking jail time. It would be some sort of a fine. You would have to speak to the prosecutor to see what the prosecutor is offering. If you talk to the prosecutor, you don't have to accept the offer that's made. And if you do choose to decline it, we can either get you a continuance so you can try to hire an attorney, or you could set it for a trial. Do you
Well,
want to
I
speak
do
to the
have
prosecutor?
I do have an attorney that's supposed to been working on the case. He didn't know he didn't tell me about this.
If it's an attorney that was appointed on the county cases, that doesn't apply to the city case.
Well, he said he had a discovery that had came up from yesterday, but he didn't tell me that that he got me on drinking. They said that it's the from a warrant and from drugs, and he didn't say anything about the alcohol. I guess I don't know.
So you're still referring to the county cases. The
Oh, so
county
this is
charges
city.
have to do with drugs. This is only a city case.
Okay,
If
now
an
what?
attorney was appointed to you in district court, it does not mean they're representing you in city court. So you need to pick one of the options.
What are my
A
two options?
continuance, request a trial, or speak to the prosecutor.
So you say either plead guilty or that's one.
That would be speaking to the prosecutor about a plea offer.
How long did that take?
Uh, I assume a few minutes. You would leave the headphones on and you would go to a virtual breakout room, and the prosecutor would go there too. The two of you would have a discussion, and then you would come back to this main room and let me know what happened, if you guys reached an agreement or not.
Yeah, that's what I do.
Okay, so leave the headphones on and tell Mr. Doyle that gave you the headphones that you need to go to the virtual breakout room.
She said leave the headphones on. I need to go to the virtual break room.
And we'll send in, let Mr. Doyle know, we'll send an invitation momentarily if we haven't sent it already, okay?
And they send an invitation if they haven't sent it already.
Got it. Good, Judge. Thank you.
Your Honor, the defendant should be here shortly. The city.
Okay, Mr. Weaver, were you and Mr. Jones able to reach some sort of plea agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay,
We would offer a $0 guilty plea with credit for time served.
okay. So Mr. Jones, I just want to make sure we're all on the same page. Do you do an attorney rec? Maybe I need to hit search again.
Oh, apologies, Your Honor. There was an error. Give me a moment.
Okay. So, Mr. Jones, it looks like the offer is to plead as charged. There would be no fine associated with it, and the case would ultimately be closed. Is that your understanding? I need a
Good.
verbal response. I'm
Yes,
sorry.
yes,
Okay, thank you. And do you understand that you do have the right to a trial?
yes,
Do you understand that if you did go to trial, you would have the right to hire an attorney to represent you?
yes,
Do you understand that before a trial started, you'd be able to review any of the discoveries, such as a police report, to prepare for the case?
yeah,
Do you understand that at a trial, either you or your attorney would be able to ask questions of witnesses, that you
yeah,
have a Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination, and that you'd be able to present evidence on your own behalf if you so desired?
I do.
And do you understand that if you did go to trial and you were found guilty, you would have the ability to appeal that decision to the Wyandotte County District Court?
Yeah,
And knowing all of that, are you wanting to accept the plea?
yeah.
Okay.
Here, you're 51.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Jones. Good luck to you.
All right. Keep them on. Take it off.
Nope, you are good to go. You can take them
Take it
off.
off. All right.
New pod judge, Harlan will be next. My list had Lutz on there. That person's gone. They got released. I just
Okay.
was
Thank you.
typing fast. Yep. Back soon. Pardon me, Judge. We're behind on something here, so it'll be just a few more minutes. We are going to have to do Harland through the door,
Okay,
but there's something going on.
okay, thank you.
List.
Mr. Doyle, looks like you're frozen.
Judge, Mr. Harlan is here.
Okay, so I can hear you, but you definitely are, the
There.
screen is frozen.
Yes, ma'am. I'm on Wi-Fi over here. We're back in the deep end
Okay.
of this location, and I'm not getting a good signal.
You're gonna fit right in here, buddy.
If we do this by audio, that's generally will work out defer.
No, this is good. Well, as long as we can all clearly hear each other, we should be okay.
Okay, I'll set that up. Here we go.
Tell him stand back. I don't know him.
Okay.
Mr. Harland, I'm Judge Schultz with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. Can you hear me?
Go ahead, Judge.
Mr. Harland, this is Judge Schultz with the
Okay.
Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. Can you hear me?
I didn't hear you say Schultz.
Judge Schultz with Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. Okay,
Yes, I
so
heard
you're
it.
not being held on the city charges, but since you are in custody, we thought we would try to address those with you today. The charges pending in municipal court are an improper pedestrian movement that was alleged to have occurred September 8th of 2024 in the area of 7th and State. And then a charge of littering that was alleged to have occurred August 7th of 2025 in the area of 700 Minnesota Avenue. You can request a continuance to hire an attorney. You can state that you are not guilty and set these matters for a trial, or you could speak to the prosecutor about a plea offer. The city is not seeking jail time, so I am unable to appoint an attorney to your case. What would you like to do?
Man, I'm really not understanding my options. You have to repeat them again so I could choose.
Sure. One option is to request a continuance so you can hire an attorney. Do you understand that?
Request a what?
A continuance?
Really close.
You-
Will I be released?
We're not holding you.
On that
Only
one.
the county matters are holding you. I have no idea what's going on with your county case. So no matter what you request, whether it's continuance, trial, or work something out, it's not going to affect whether or not you get out on the county matters. Okay?
Like I hear the way it sounds. I can't hear that.
So the options are get a continuance.
You bleaking out and stuff. They right here and they can hear that.
Unfortunately, it's on the jail's end, not ours. It's the Wi-Fi or the lack thereof. So you can ask for a continuance. You can ask to have it set for trial. Or you could try to work something out with the prosecutor. What would you like to do?
I want to talk to the prosecutor.
Okay, so we'll have Mr. Doyle get you into the virtual breakout room. Hold on.
I understand. I understand, Judge. I'm going there now.
Okay.
So hold on.
Your Honor, we should be back.
Here we go.
Okay. Mr. Weaver, were you able to work something out with Mr. Harland?
Yes, Your Honor. In exchange for a guilty plea to the
100%
improper
loud.
crosswalk usage, he would get credit for time served, so there'd be no fine. The fine would be waived. And littering on public property would be dismissed.
Okay. So, Mr. Harland, is that your understanding of the plea, that you'd be entering a guilty plea to the improper pedestrian movement and the littering would be dismissed?
Yes, improper crosswalk, only charge, right?
Correct. And there
Yes.
would not be a fine. The fine would be waived. Is that your understanding?
Yes,
Okay.
right?
Yes. Well, that's my understanding, and that's your understanding, and I think that's Mr. Weaver's understanding. So, yes. Now, as I stated earlier, this isn't gonna it's not gonna get you out on the county stuff, but at least you won't have to deal with the city stuff
Yeah,
anymore.
I already talked to the
okay?
county stuff.
Okay,
I already did that.
okay. And all right, thank you very much. You have a good day, okay?
Like I said, I'm already out on the street.
Moving to another pod, Judge Jenkins. They're just on the same floor.
Okay. Oh, I have to sneeze.
All right, Judge, Mr. Jenkins, and we're gonna have to do him through the door as well, but I do have a better Wi-Fi signal, so hopefully things will go a little easier.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Just give me a couple seconds. We'll move it in place now.
Good afternoon, Mr. Jenkins. I'm Judge Schultz with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. Can you hear me? Well, that's not positive, is it?
It looks frozen to me.
It does to me too. Well.
Sorry about that. As soon as I said something, the signal dropped, but we'll try again.
Murphy's Law, right?
Oh, boy, you got it. We'll get through. Okay, go ahead.
Good afternoon, Mr. Jenkins. I'm Judge Schultz with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Jenkins, you are not, well, it looks like you've got a, on the, okay, let me start over. I'm sorry. You do have a county case pending. We're not here about that, but you also have a city case pending. Right now, if you wanted to be released on the city case, you would have to post a $250 cash bond. It looks like maybe you were booked on August 6th. Are you wanting to make an argument to reduce or eliminate that bond? Are you asking for an OR bond?
I'm asking for R. I've been going through therapy with the Wyandotte Center. I had memory loss. So,
Okay.
and they diagnosed me with PTSD and bipolar 1. And they also got me, I have Dr. Killam. She's getting me with my neurologist so I can get my seizure medicine for my epilepsy. So I have been lying about my epilepsy so I can work to take care of my kids. But I'm done lying about it. So I've been going to the doctor a lot. And I haven't started all my medications, just my sleeping medication. But like I had went to the what's it called? The expungement fair.
Okay.
I had an ineffective counsel. Russo, he never contacted my mother's house the whole time. So I thought it was dismissed. So they told me to go to report him to Topeka. They gave me all the information. They filled out my expungement. They told me I needed to pay how much to pay to get my record expunged. And they told me to come into open docket. I just didn't have any money yet. I had just got an assignment from my church to paint it, but they haven't bought the paint. So I didn't have any money to pay off my warrant yet. But that just happened last week. So the only reason it bumped into me
On
is
the
because I
city
was
case,
helping them.
I don't see Mr. Russo. Is he?
No, it's on the other one, the failure to appear.
Okay, that was
Mr.
on the
Russo was
county
my lawyer
stuff.
the whole
Okay,
time.
okay, just making sure
That's the one that's the one that's really high. That's why I want. So I just want them to
But
step
you
in
are
court. That
requesting
will
an
come in
OR
court.
bond, right, on the
Yes,
city
ma'am.
stuff?
Your Honor,
Yeah. I'll come to court on the other one too. I didn't want to come empty-handed. So I was trying to get all my stuff from Wyandotte Center, from my
Hold on
neurologist.
one second, Mr. Jenkins. We're gonna let Mr. Weaver be heard on bond. Is the city opposed to an OR bond?
Your Honor, I don't think we can technically talk to him. He's represented by counsel in this.
I don't know
No, he's
why
not.
they show the public defender. That should have not been done. So no, but what's the city's position on bond?
As far as our charges go, Your Honor, we only have traffic tickets. I see no reason to keep him in jail over that.
Okay.
I
So,
appreciate it,
Mr. Jenkins, we're gonna grant you an OR bond on the city cases. So if, it looks like maybe you have court on your county stuff, August 15th. So, if they give you an OR bond on the 15th, the city stuff isn't gonna hold you up. What I am gonna do is, we'll put this on August 26th at 1 p.m. If for some reason.
I have a doctor's appointment. I'm not to cut you off. Is there any way we can confer? Because I don't have any way to check, but I believe
What
I have.
I can do
neurology
is,
appointment.
instead of putting it on the 26th, I can put it on September 2nd at 1 p.m.
I won't make no more doctor's appointments for the 2nd for
Okay.
September.
So if for some reason you're still in custody, you don't get out on the county case, we'll see you by video again on September 2nd. Otherwise, you'll need to appear in person. When they let you out of jail, they'll give you a piece of paper showing you that you need to appear in person September 2nd at 1 o'clock at City Hall, okay?
City Hall, okay.
Okay? All
Yes,
right,
ma'am.
thank you.
God bless you. So,
All right, Judge, I'm gonna track down the next two, Galvin and Mosley. I'm gonna have to go down a couple of floors. They're workers, so I'll be back.
Okay.
Pardon me, Judge, Oscar Galvin is here.
Thank you.
Hello.
Good afternoon, Mr. Galvin. I'm Judge Schultz with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. If you'll just give me one moment to get your case brought up. I knew it was going to be either you or someone else. I had a 50-50 shot and I brought up the wrong case.
Okay.
Okay, so it looks like you are not being held on the city cases. I didn't think you were, but I wanted to confirm that. But
Okay.
since you are in custody on your county cases, we thought we'd see you on your city cases, see if
Great.
maybe we can figure out something else. It looks like back in July, you had appeared on Zoom and you had gotten an OR bond. I think you were kind of trying to figure out what was going on with your city case. I mean, with your county case.
Yeah.
Are you still needing some more time to figure out what's going on with that?
Well, I talked to my attorney, Zach Anthony, last Friday. We really didn't speak about my city cases,
Okay.
but I should be getting released on these charges here in the next couple of weeks. I'm just waiting for a bed premiere, basically. So
Okay. Okay. Are you planning on asking Mr. Anthony to represent you on the city
yes,
case?
yes,
Okay, so what we'll do for now is we're gonna keep that OR bond. So if you
okay,
get released on the county stuff, this city stuff won't hold you back. And
okay,
then we'll put this on, sorry, I've got to look at the calendar real quick. We'll put this on September 8th at 1 p.m.
okay,
No, I'm sorry, September 9th, because that way if you're still in custody, we'll see you by video. If you have been released, you need to appear in person, or if Mr. Anthony is representing you by that point, he can appear for you, okay?
okay,
All right, so that OR remains, and we'll see you either in person or by video September 9th at 1 o'clock, okay?
okay. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
And Mr. Mosley.
Okay, that's who I had brought up, so I was close. Good afternoon, Mr. Mosley. I'm Judge Schultz with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court.
Good afternoon.
I'm just going to take a minute to finish my note on the last person real quick, and then I'll bring your cases up, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Mosley, it looks like you're not being held on the city case. I wanted to confirm that.
Okay.
But since you are in custody on your county cases, we thought we'd try to see you. It
Okay.
looks like in the city you have pending a traffic matter.
Yes.
That the allegations are an expired tag, not having a driver's license. Those were alleged to have occurred July 3rd of 2025 in the 7800 block of Elizabeth Avenue. You
Yes.
can request a continuance to hire an attorney, state you're not guilty, and set the case for a trial, or you could speak to the prosecutor about a plea offer. What would you like to do?
I can't afford my own attorney,
So there's
so
no jail time associated with this, so I'm unable to appoint an attorney to your case.
okay.
You could ask for additional time. You could speak to the prosecutor. If you don't
I'll
like
speak
what
to
he
the
has to
prosec.
offer, you can just say no. Okay.
I'd like to speak to the prosecutor then.
Okay, so leave the headphones on and let Mr. Doyle, the person that gave you the headphones, know that you need to go to the virtual breakout room.
I need to go to the virtual breakout room because I'm trying to see how much they're going to charge me.
Your Honor, we're back.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Mosley, it looks like you were able to talk to the prosecutor, is that correct?
Yes, 100%, Your Honor.
Okay, so Mr. Weaver, were you able to work something out?
Yes, Your Honor. We offered to dismiss the unregistered vehicle, and a guilty to the no DL fine would be
Waive
waived.
the fine?
with jail time.
Okay. So, Mr. Mosley, is that your understanding of the plea? You'd be entering a guilty plea to not having a driver's license and the fine would be waived?
Yes, Your Honor.
And are you in fact wanting to accept that plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you very much. Good luck
Thank
to
you.
you.
Alrighty, thank you.
Moving to the ladies' pod, Judge.
Okay, thank you.
Just heads up, Judge, it's a bit of a delay here for a reason, but we'll get to it.
Okay, thank you.
You bet. Pardon me, Judge, Miss Morton is here. We got them both. We're ready to go.
Okay. Good afternoon, Ms. Morton. I'm Judge Schultz with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. If you'll just give me a moment to bring up your case.
I do have a question if you got a chance.
Okay.
I had a $200 fine on this, and I posted the fine last Tuesday for it, and I was just waiting on extradition from Platte County, so I'm not sure what this is for, I guess. Because I signed my extradition papers, and I've just been waiting on Platte County to come.
It looks like you're talking about the county case. Because what you'd have to post on the city case is $150 cash bond.
Oh, okay.
So the county is separate from the city. Are you and I do see that you have a hold from Platte County. Are you wanting to request an OR bond on this city case?
What's the charge?
It looks like what's pending is a speeding and expired tag. Those allegations were alleged to have occurred February 19th of 2021 in the area of North 78th and Everett.
I don't even have, yeah, I would like to request an OR bond and try to continue out for 2 months if possible so I can get to Platte County.
Okay, Mr. Weaver, what's the city's position on an OR bond? Sorry, Mr.
Apologies.
Weaver, you're muted. Okay.
Apologies. Your Honor, before I weigh in on the OR bond, how long have they been in jail for our charge?
It looks like Ms. Morton was booked August 1st.
So 11 days.
And then the bond was reduced on August 6th to $150 with the condition of not to drive unless properly licensed and insured.
All right. Your Honor, could I have the opportunity to speak with the defendant first?
If she's not opposed to talking to you, yes.
Oh, that's fine.
Okay, so Ms. Morton, just leave your headphones on and then let Mr. Doyle, the person that gave you the headphones, know that you need to go to the breakout room to speak to the prosecutor.
I need to go out to the breakout room to speak to the prosecutor. Okay.
Thank you.
Talk to the prosecutor when you're done.
I got you.
Looks like we're just waiting for Mr. Weaver to get back.
Okay.
There we go.
Mr. Weaver?
Apologies, hit the wrong leave button. Don't know why leave the whole call is right next to leave the breakout room, but anyway. The city made an offer where we would dismiss the speeding ticket, and as long as the defendant pled guilty on the unregistered vehicle, the fine would be set to 0 in lieu of time served.
Okay, Ms. Morton, is that acceptable to you?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so you're no longer held on this city case. I don't know about the county case. I can't see that kind of information since I'm not a district court judge. But if Platte County is ready to get you, this city case is not going to hold you back from being picked up, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Ms. Hernandez now.
Okay. Good afternoon. Oh, shoot.
Hi.
Good afternoon, Ms. Hernandez. Just give me one moment to get your case brought up. Okay, Ms. Hernandez, I'm Judge Schultz with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. It looks like right now you would have to post a $250 cash bond to get out on the city case. Are you requesting an OR bond on the city case?
What's that?
And like a signature bond on your own recognizance.
What does that mean?
It means you wouldn't have to pay to post the bond. You would just, your signature would serve as a promise to appear.
Okay, to court.
Yes.
Okay, and then when I go to court, can I have a payment plan?
So first, before we get to anything else, I need to see if that's what you're requesting, an OR bond or not.
May I?
You certainly can. I don't know if I'll grant it. I need to give the city an opportunity to make an argument, but we can't consider it unless you request it.
Oh, okay. May I, if denied, may I pay the $250?
Yes, you would be able to post the bond. I know that if there's money in your property, there's a process you would have to go through to get it out, or you would have to get someone else to come up and post it.
Yes, miss.
But you want to request an OR bond, is that correct?
If that's okay.
Okay, so Mr. Weaver, what is the city's position on an OR bond?
If you give me 5 seconds, Your Honor, we might not need it.
Yes.
Your Honor, we don't need an OR bond.
Okay.
So the officer who issued these tickets is no longer present. The city cannot go forward.
Okay, so what we'll do is we will dismiss the city cases. Give me 1 second.
I'll go ahead and put in a rec.
Thank you.
Does that mean I get to leave?
You still have your county case pending. You'll have to talk to them about it. It looks like it's set for August 15th, but the city case isn't going to hold you up, okay? Because it's dismissed.
What does that mean? What
It means that it's dismissed. It's no longer pending against you.
okay, but do I still have to stay?
Until you get the county case resolved, yes, I'm only a municipal court judge. You have court for your county case on August 15th. So you'll see the judge then on that case.
Oh, okay. So
Okay.
I don't get to get bail?
You don't have to post any bail on the city case. I don't know what you'd have to post on the district court case. The sheriff's deputies might be able to tell you. Either that or you'll have to wait until August 15th, okay?
Do you know if I have bail for the?
As I said, I'm a
I'm sorry.
municipal court judge. I'm not a district court judge. You'll have to talk to either a district court judge or the sheriff's deputies. They'll be able to tell you, okay?
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, Judge, that's it.
Okay, that's
I
it.
apo-
Thank you.
Yeah, I apologize on the Wi-Fi. We are auditing. We've got a new guy over here, and that's kind of one of the things we're going to look at. But sometimes in the back of those pods, we're just not going to get good